Hello, welcome to week 2 in the herd model series. You may ask, why are we doing this? The reason why is I want to make sure that everyone has the tools to solve a guest concern if they are brought up to you. I want to make sure that you understand the herd model and that you understand the why behind it. For example, I want you to understand that the herd model is here to listen, to empathize, to put yourself in their shoes, to apologize, to say you're sorry, to focus on the issue, to resolve, to be people of action, own the problem, thank the guest, and delight. We want to be genuine and proactive and be people of action that solve guest problems. We can be those resolvers by following the herd model. And there will be times when there are situations that make you a little uncomfortable that you haven't encountered. In that moment, it's okay to grab a leader. But we want to make sure that you have the tools, though, to begin this process. So today, let's focus on one letter, the letter H. Now, I want to introduce you to a friend I've had since 4th grade. His name is Harry. Meet Harry. Harry? No, you don't want to say hi? It's fine. He doesn't want to say hi. But he does want to teach us something today. Here, look at those big ears. There are some things that we can do with these ears, and some of those things are listening. That is the H. It's to actively listen to the concern that the guest is expressing. This is why Harry will be popping up to show us empathize, apologize, resolve, and delight. All of them. But on the H, when we talk about hearing the guest, in a situation where there's an order accuracy problem, there is confusion that a guest may have about what they ordered, or maybe we inputted something incorrectly, we can use this herd model, and we want to make sure as we hear, as we follow the first step, that we're focusing on the guest. That you're focusing on the guest with your eyes, with your body language, that you don't have the body language of, let me just get this over with so I can move on. We want to make sure that we're listening and focusing on the guest. Actively listening means I'm listening so I can understand what they're saying. I want to make sure that as we're processing and we believe that we have found the root of the problem, we want to clarify with the guests. Clarify what it might be. I understand that you're missing your Chick-fil-A sandwich and your large waffle fry, and then we'll move to the next steps as the weeks move on. But it all starts right here. It all starts with hearing. If I do not hear the guest correctly, it's going to create frustration with the guest because I have to go back and forth to get the right thing. But by getting this first step right, it makes all the other steps so much more seamless. So here, Harry, look at those ears. He uses those to hear. We use our ears to actively listen to guests, to listen intently, and to clarify what we've understood. That's the second week. Next, we'll talk about empathize. We'll look at that next week. And if you have questions, ask a leader. We want to provide the answers for you. Thank you so much for watching this video.